Hello my lovely artists, welcome back to another day of Art with Ebner. Today we are going to do something fun and a little bit different. We are going to do some origami. Now if you don't know what origami is, it is the Japanese art of folding paper. Origami literally means to fold paper. So we are going to start out with a square piece of paper. If you have origami paper, great. If not, you can take a regular piece of paper, fold it so that you get kind of a triangle with a little skinny part, and then use some scissors to cut along this line. You can ask your parent for help, or maybe your brother or sister, someone to help you, because once you cut this, then you'll end up with a square piece of paper. Now, most origami projects start with a square paper, not all, but most. Once you have your square, put away your scissors. You don't need them anymore, because origami is about folding the paper, not cutting and taping or cutting and gluing the paper. Now today we are going to make two origamis. We are going to make a kitty cat and we are going to make a bunny. So if you have colorful paper, you can use a colorful paper, or you can see this one here is a piece of paper that I colored and then I folded it. So up to you, or you can just do white and add designs later. All right, take a second, go get your paper ready. You can pause and come back, and let's go.